Exercise 1G, question number 4. On one day, a rickshaw puller earned rupees 160. Out of that, his earnings, he spent rupees 26 3 by 5 on tea and snacks, rupees 50 1 by 2 on food, and rupees 16 2 by 5 on repairs of the rickshaw. How much money did he save on that day? That we have to find out. Okay. Now, earning of rickshaw puller on a particular day is given. So, earnings of a rickshaw puller, it is given rupees 160. Now out of his earning he spent this much on tea and snack, this much on food, and this much on repairs of the rickshaw. So total expenditure we can find out, है ना? Total expenditure or total money spent on different things. So total expenditure will be addition of money spent on tea and snacks plus money spent on food plus money spent on repairs of the rickshaw. So total expenditure is money spent on tea and snacks plus money spent on food plus money spent on repairs of rickshaw. So this we can add and we can find out total expenditure. So total expenditure is money spent on tea and snacks. How much money spent on tea and snacks? Rupees 26 3 by 5 plus money spent on food. Money spent on food is rupees 50 1 by 2 plus money spent on repair is rupees 16 2 by 5. Now we are going to add up all these values. So it is coming 26 5s. 26 5s we have to do. 26 into 5, this is 0, 130. 130 plus 3, 133. 133 upon 5 plus this is 100 plus 1, 101 by 2 plus this is 80. 80 plus 2 is 82 by 5. Now LCM of 2 and 5 is coming 10. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So now 5 should be multiplied with what to get 10? It is 2. So multiply 133 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 101 upon 2. 2 into what will give you 10 into 5 plus 82 upon 5. 5 into what will give 10? That is 2 into 2 into 2. 133 into 2 is 266 upon 10 plus 505 upon 10 plus 164 upon 10. So this is rupees 266 plus 505 plus 164 upon 10, and it is coming out to be addition. How much this addition will come? This is 15 carry 1 and then 6 and then 665 upon 10, and it will come 3 935 upon 10. 935 upon 10 is coming this addition. Okay, now this much is the expenditure. Now we have to find out money saved on that day. So money saved will be money saved is equal to money earned minus total expenditure. Money earned minus total expenditure. Total expenditure just now we found, and money earned is given. Money earned is rupees 160 minus total expenditure is 935 by 10. So we can take LCM again. Here is 1, here is 10, so it will be 1600 minus 935 upon 10, and it is coming this 5 this is 6 and this is 6, yes, 665 upon 10. So we can cancel it by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15 and 2. 133 by 2. So we can convert it into mixed. So it is rupees 66 1 by 2. Exercise 1G, question number 5. Find the cost of 3 2x5 meter of cloth at rupees 63 3/4 per meter. Cost of 1 meter cloth is given to you and you have to find out cost of 3 2x5 meters of cloth. So if value of 1 is given and value of many we have to find out, then we simply multiply. So that only will do. Cost of 1 meter cloth is given rupees 63 3/4. 63 3/4 is given in mixed, so we can convert it into improper. So now let's multiply 63 into 4. How much it will give? 2 and this is 5 2. 252. 252 plus 3 is 255. 255 upon 4. So this is cost of 1 meter cloth is given to you. Now we have to find out cost of 3 2x5 meters of cloth. So we will multiply. Cost of 3 2x5 meters of cloth, that is equal to rupees 255 upon 4 into this value, into these many meters, that is 3 2x5. So it is rupees 255 upon 4 into 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 by 5. So we can cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 5 ones are. Now multiply 51 into 17, 51 into 17, 17 ones are 17, 17 5s are 85, 86, 86 and 7, 867 by 4. Now we can divide it by 4, but here is 7 present, so it cannot be fully divided, it will leave decimal, so therefore it is better to convert it into mixed fraction. So it is rupees 216 3/4. So this is the cost of 3 2x5 meters of cloth. Exercise 1G, question number 6. A car is moving at an average speed of 62/5 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 6 1/4 hours? So distance covered by car in 1 hour is given to us, that is 62/5 km, and we have to find out how much distance it will cover in 6 1/4 hours. So value of 1 is given. Value of 1, that is distance covered by car in 1 hour, is given, and we have to find out value of many. So for that we will multiply. So distance covered by car in 1 hour is given, that is 62/5 km, and we can convert it into improper. 6 5s are 30, that is 300, 300 plus 2 is 302 upon 5 km. And now we have to find out distance covered by car in 6 1/4 hours. So distance covered by car in 6 1/4 hours, that is equal to 302 upon 5 multiply by 6 1/4 kilometer. So 302 upon 5 into 6 4 24, 24 25 upon 4 kilometer. Now we can divide by 2. 4 2s are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 1s are. Then 5 1s are, 5 5s are. Now multiply 151 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 755 upon 2 kilometer. This we can convert into mixed. It is 377 1/2 kilometer. Exercise 1G, question number 7. Find the area of a rectangular park which is 36 3/5 meter long and 16 2/3 meter broad. So length of rectangular park is given, breadth of rectangular park is given, and we have to find out area of rectangular park. So area of rectangle, we know it is length into breadth. So simply we will multiply these two given values. Length of rectangular park, that is equal to 36 3/5 meter. Now 36 3/5 meter we can convert into improper. So 36 into 5, it is 0, it 180. 180 plus 3 is 183/5 meter. Next, breadth is also given. Breadth of rectangular park, that is given 16 2/3 meter. So this is 48 plus 2, that is 50/3 meter. Now we have to find out area. Area of rectangular park, that is equal to 183/5 into 50/3 meter square. So this is 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3, 5 tens are 50. So it is coming 610 meter square.